In this video, we will show you how to remove all links in Word documents. Usually, when you copy some text on the internet, for example, look like this, there is contain many hyperlinks. How you can remove all hyperlinks on Word documents, for example here, I copy this text that contain many links, okay? I will copy this and now open the Word documents, okay? When I paste on my Word documents, you can see there is many active link here. You can see there. This is the link. How to remove all links? First, you can block all your text, okay? You can using a manual method like this or just using Ctrl plus A button, okay? After that, you need to press Ctrl, Shift and F9 at the same times, okay? The shortcut is Ctrl, Shift, F9. After you press that button, you can see here the all link has been removed successfully. And this is not link, okay? This is just grammar. You can also turn off the grammar if you want, okay? Grammar correction by clicking language and set proof language and untick this. Then check this. Click OK like this. Now your text has been clearly for links and for grammar. That's all how you can remove all links on your Word documents in the quickest method. Thanks for watching.